Did you know that 2022 was named Year of the Hide by Geocaching HQ? What does that mean? What does that mean, Josh? It means that if you hide a geocache in the year 2022, you get a special souvenir for your geocaching profile. This has never happened before. Never has Geocaching HQ given you a digital souvenir for hiding a cache. And can you believe it? It's June, and I have yet to hide a geocache. I've yet to hide a physical geocache. What's wrong with me? Well, the reason I've waited is because, you know, I'm a fan of quality geocaches. A lot of the geocaches you see me taking videos of, they're quality hides. So I wasn't just gonna put garbage out. That's why I reached out to Cachecraft, New Jersey to give me a good, quality, devious, evil geocache. I'm at Ground Zero, and I have hidden a geocache right here, thanks to Cachecraft, New Jersey. Let's find it together, shall we? And here I am at Ground Zero. There are so many places that I could hide a geocache. I could put something magnetic on here, but did I? No, I didn't. There's nice little benches over here. I could hide something magnetic under here, a little nano. That has been done. We have a nice little retaining wall here. And look at this. Oh, ooh, this looks suspicious. Is that anything? No. So many of these nails. It's very, very interesting. Nail. More nails over here. What? What's? Oh, interesting. That moves. So with a nice devious cache, you want to make sure it fits in. And I knew these nails fit in just perfect with. Wait for it. Yes! Isn't that cool? That is quality right there. That's my new hide, guys. A perfect little spot in this retaining wall. This whole geocache came this way. Really cool hide, which means I'm gonna do my best. I'm gonna get this published, earn that souvenir. And if you have not hidden a geocache this year, you should do it so you can get that souvenir. But just make sure it's quality. Don't put just some run-of-the-mill geocache. Make it fun. Make it exciting for people. And thanks to Cachecraft, New Jersey, I was able to make this one a good one. All right, guys, thanks so much for watching. Now go over here. You're bound to find other great geocaches and geocaching adventures over there. All right, let me hide this back.